Now that we've learned about prime factorization and listing out all the factors of any of these numbers, now let's spend some time understanding what exactly are common factors, and then we'll move on to talking about the highest common factor. Now we'll spend some time talking about common factors. Now I'll use the numbers that I've used previously. I'll use the numbers 15 and 24, right? So just a short while back, you may have seen in a previous video, I had listed down all the factors of 15 and they occur in pair, and I write them like this. So 1 into 15 is the first factor pair, then 2 not divisible, 3 into 5, and 4 is not a factor. So 1, 3, 5 and 15 are all the factors of 15. Now 24, 1 into 24, that's the first pair, 2 into 12, second pair, 3 into 8, third pair, and 4 into 6, that's the fourth pair. So I've listed down all the factors of 24, right? Now if I have to find the common factors of 15 and 24, I'll look at, so 1 is always going to be a common factor between any 2, 3, 4,000 numbers. 1 is always going to be common, right? But do I have a 2 here? I don't. How about 3? Yes. So 3 is the next common factor between 15 and 24. How about 5? Not here. 4 not here. 15 not here. 6, 8, 12 and 24 not here. So the common factors of 15 and 24 are 1 and 3. That's it, right? So these are all the common factors. Now if I have to talk about the HCF says highest common factor. Now between 1 and 3, the highest one is 3, so HCF is 3, right? So I'll just pick out the largest of the common factors, and this number is the HCF, right? Now let me take another example. This time let me take 3 numbers. So now I'll take 8, 36 and 42. 36, 42, right? So let me list down all the factors of 8. So 1 into 8, 2 into 4, that's it. So 1, 2, 4 and 8, all the factors of 8. Now 36, 1 into 36, 2 into 18, 3 into 12, then 4 into 9, and then 6 into 6, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. That's all the factors of 36. Now let's list down all the factors of 42. So it's 1 into 42. It's 2 into 21. It's 3 into 14. Then it's 4, no, 5, no, 6 and 7, right? That's it. So we've completed the list of all factors of 42. So factors of 42 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21, 42. Now let's list down. So let's list down all the common factors of 8, 36 and 42. So they are going to be 1 common across 1. Then 2, it's here, it's here and it's here. So 2 is the second factor which is common across all 3. 4, it's here but it's not here, so rule out 4. Then 3, it's here but it's not here, so we'll rule out 3 also. 8, not here, ruled out. Then 6 is here but nowhere else, so that's it. So we have 1 and 2 as the common factors. So what is the HCF? So HCF of 8, 36 and 42 is 2, because it is the largest of all the common factors that we've been able to list, right? Now, looking at all the common factors in both these cases, can I ask you, is there any point in finding the lowest common factor? Does it make sense to find the lowest common factor? You would have noticed that every time we are calculating highest common factor only. But is there any point in calculating the lowest common factor? The answer is no. Why? Because the LCF is always, lowest common factor is always going to be 1, right? Whether the numbers have anything else in common or not, the lowest common factor amongst any number of natural numbers is always going to be 1. So we can just ignore this question.